Hey friends, on this Tyler Intuitive, I'm going to be teaching my 4x4 OLL Parity Alg. Here's the full algorithm, but I'm going to break it down into 4 bite-sized chunks, where part 2 and 4 are the exact same thing. Before we start, it's important to note that any asterisks indicate regrips before that move is done. Any of the red letters indicate moves done with the right hand, and any blue letters indicate moves done with the left hand. For the first part, we have a cube rotation in the middle. That's what that X means, and it simply means that the bottom face is going to become the front face. You can also think of it as the right face rotating once clockwise. We're going to start with a regrip with our right hand into the hamburger hold, R wide U2, X, and then the same thing, regrip, R wide U2. In this next step, we have 2 U2s again, but the first one is going to be done with the left hand, and the second one is going to be done with the right hand. So we're going to start with an R wide, U2, R wide prime, U2. Now in part 3, we have the first half is going to be completed with the left hand, and the second half is actually going to be the exact same thing, but with the right hand. So we start with a regrip, L wide, U2, regrip, R wide, U2. Now the fourth part is the exact same thing as part 2. R wide, U2, R wide prime, U2. Sorry for lying to you that there's only 4 parts because there is a part 5. Thankfully it's just an R wide prime though. Now that we've learned the full algorithm in these 4 chunks, let's put them together. Part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4. Part 5. One more time. Part 1, part 2, part 3, and part 4, and part 5. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. If you like videos like this, then make sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on my logo. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next one.